Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to explain how we can use rectangular array in AutoCAD. First, let's create a rectangle. Okay, then select it. From home, go to array, click this one, rectangular array. From here, column, you can change the number of column. Let's be 2 column. Now we have just 2 column. And change it to 5 row. You see, we have 2 column and 5 row. I want to add another column or column 4. Okay. Then from here you can change the distance between column 2, 2. And from here, change it to 3. Distance between the rows. From this one you can add more rows. And from this one you can add or decrease the columns. From this one you can change the base point. That's one way to change the base point. Also, you have another way. Just click this one, and for example, I want to change it to 100, for example, 100 and angle 30. It goes to here. Okay, that's all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.